The Chengdu J-20 is a fifth-generation, stealth, twin-engine fighter aircraft developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group for the Army Air Force. People's Liberation of China, PLAF. The J-20 was designed as an air superiority fighter with a precision strike capability. The J-20 made its first flight on January 11, 2011. The aircraft entered service in March 2017 and began its combat training phase in September 2017. The first J-20 combat units were formed in February 2018. The J-20 is the world's third operational fifth-generation stealth fighter after the F-22 and F-35. The J-20 emerged from the late 1990s JXX program. In 2008, the PLAF endorsed the Chengdu Aerospace Corporation's proposal named Project 718, proposed aircraft Shenyang, and is larger than the J-20. In 2009, a senior PLAF official revealed that the first flights were expected in 2010-11, by entering service in 2019. On the 22nd of December 2010, the first J-20 prototype underwent high-speed taxiing tests outside Chengdu Aircraft Design Institute. 3 months later, the first J-20 prototype made its maiden flight in Chengdu. Several changes were made to the J-20 prototype, including more stealthy intakes and new stealth coatings, as well as a redesigned vertical stabilizer. In 2014, analysts note new equipment and devices for multi-role operations such as integrated targeting pods for precision-guided munitions, and 6 additional passive infrared sensors can also be seen in the vicinity of the aircraft. Chinese state media reported in October 2017 that the J-20 design had been finalized and was ready for mass production and combat ready. In January 2019, Chinese media reported that a twin-seat variant of the J-20 was reportedly under development for use in tactical bombing, electronic warfare, and carrier strike roles. In October 2021, a new prototype, dubbed the J-20S by analysts, was spotted near the Chengdu Aerospace Corporation facility, making the J-20S an aircraft the world's first two-seat stealth fighter. In March 2022, Chinese state media reported that the J-20 had conducted trials with the WS-15 engine. The J-20 has a long, fused fuselage with a chiseled nose section and a frameless canopy. Right behind the cockpit there is an intake quite hidden. All moving canard faces with a pronounced dihedral are positioned behind the intake, followed by a converging leading edge extension to the delta wing with the trailing edge swept forward. The back has outward movable twin fins, short but deep ventral strakes, as well as a conventional and quite discreet engine exhaust. The use of a bubble canopy, ample flight control surfaces, and canard configuration for angle of attack control indicate the J-20's intention to operate within air superiority missions and engagements within visual range. The chief test pilot, Li Gang of the J-20, described the aircraft as maneuverable, which is comparable to the Chengdu J-10, while having significantly better low performance. The J-20 is an air superiority fighter multi-role, with the interceptor role being only one option. Analysts note that the J-20's body shape takes a holistic approach to reducing its radar cross-section, RCS. Integrated front body, modified radome radar, and the electroconductive canopy, 18, employs stealth shaping, resulting in performance similar to that of the F-22. Undiverted supersonic inlet, DSI, leading to serpentine channels can obscure the machine's reflective surface from detection by enemy radar. Additional observable features include a flat bottom of the fuselage housing the internal weapons compartment, sawtooth edge on the compartment door, mesh cover on the cooling port at the base of the vertical tail, embedded antenna, materials radar absorbers used as coatings. One prototype in 2014 has been powered by a WS-10 engine equipped with serrated edge nozzles and tiles different for greater stealth capabilities. The production model J-20 with the jagged WS-10C engine also mitigated the negative effects on rear stealth. The main weapons bay is capable of accommodating short and long-range air-to-air missiles, AAM, Place 9, PL-12C, D, and Place 15, Place 21, while two more weapons bays, the small rear air inlet is intended for short-range AAMs, Place 10. This side chamber allows closing of the weapons room door prior to firing the missile, thus allowing the missile to be fired in a short time, as well as increasing stealth capabilities. The J-20 reportedly lacks an automatic cannon, indicating that this aircraft is not intended for close combat, dogfight with other aircraft, but engage them at long range with missiles such as the Place 15 and Place 21. The J-20 will likely use air-to-air missiles for air superiority battles with other aircraft. Additional missions may include launching anti-radiation missiles and air-to-ground missiles for precision strike missions. While capable of carrying internal weapons, the wing includes 4 external weapons hardpoints to extend the range of tank carry transport additional fuel. However, like the F-22, the J-20 cannot carry its external fuel tanks on combat missions because they are vulnerable. Radar detectable, so the configuration is only for peacetime operations, such as transit between air bases. This fighter is capable of carrying 4 AAMs over a range medium-long range in the main bay and 1 short-range missile in each aircraft lateral weapons bay.